Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jovis, and today we're here at this cozy, reclusive sanctuary of an apartment that we designed for our client, Mr. Prakash, in the heart of Baswangudi, Bangalore. For the garden area, we wanted the design to be different and to create an impression since it is the first thing you catch a glimpse of as soon as you enter the lift corridor on the floor. Originally provided as an extension of the kitchen area, could be used as a utility or a dry yard. We turned this into sort of an indoor garden, and hey, let us know which one you prefer. If it's an indoor garden, give us a thumbs up, and if it's outdoors, leave a comment below. Oh, and I almost forgot the most interesting part of this video. Here's the fun contest for this festive season. Basically, we've hidden a few Design Cafe logos throughout this entire house, and you just need to find all of them and leave the timestamps in the comment section below. Now, we're going to be picking winners every single month, so there's not going to be just one winner, and the winners are going to be getting Amazon gift vouchers. So here's your chance to win those. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's quickly dive into the video. Now the entry through the corridor was blocked with a large clear glass providing access only through the kitchen. We have added a beautiful white sculpture in the center as the focal point and created a simple setting with grass, wooden flooring and a beautiful backdrop made with carved stone. The sculpture is ideally located at a point such that it is directly visible from the foyer through an opening intentionally created for this purpose. Give us a thumbs up if you think this clever altercation looks absolutely stunning. For the foyer, we have the Botticino marble wall cladding laid out in multiple layers to create a 3D effect. Ornamental armchairs handpicked from China to create a statement right as you enter the house. Spacious double-height living room for larger gatherings, seating layout made for a minimum of 12 people to sit comfortably. Dark blue Chesterfield sofa along with large luxurious white L-seater. We've ensured that we add one distinct element in every space we have designed. The beautiful Victorian high back armchairs really bring together the complete seating layout. Since we had two large walls to work with, we have one feature wall designed with statutorio marble and artificial plants with a simple minimalistic staircase running parallel to it, not taking too much of the attention away from the backdrop. The opposite wall, keeping it simple yet classy, we got a painting curated specifically for the client, large enough to complement the size of the wall. One should also not miss the crystal pendant light or chandelier in the space. Contrast to the traditional crystal chandeliers, this space stands out for bringing out the luxury in a modern contemporary design, with each of the single crystal pieces manually put together by us. Oh my man, wasn't that living room absolutely divine? If I were to be living here, I would want to host luncheons every weekend. Well, talking about luncheons, here's the dining and the bar unit, giving us all the more reasons to want to host parties. Come with me and let's go take a look. Solid wood dining table with leather chairs adorned with an origami bird's pendant light. The bar unit is the star of the area. Free-flowing design carved to perfection. Standalone bar unit finished in a shimmering silver paint complemented by the pop of color artwork in the background. The kitchen speaks luxury in all aspects. Beautiful blend of blacks and whites in a variety of materials, textures and forms. From statutorio marble tiles on the cabinet shutters, black lacquered glass on the island unit, tinted black glass crockery units to the damask pattern tiles laid on the entry wall. The solid wood breakfast counter in its natural shape and form, along with matching stools in a combination of wood and metal, enhancing the overall monotone of the space. Moving on from the splendid kitchen to the bedrooms. On this floor, we have a guest bedroom and two daughters' bedroom. And guess what? If you like anything in any of our home tours, just take a screenshot of it and get in touch with us using the form in the description box below. So basically in Design Cafe, we can customize every single unit to your needs and to fit into your space. So, well, get in touch and we can recreate this magic for you as well. The color palette for this bedroom was much warmer. Blend of dark grey duco and dark veneer, complete paneling on the entire bed back wall along with the architrave created towards the balcony. This was designed as a guest room with simple designs and minimal storage. Grey fabric bed adorned with gold artwork on the back wall, large floor-to-ceiling wardrobes with designer laminate and bronze tinted mirror, artwork, decorative lights, and even the mirrors were all handpicked along with the client. Classy but with a pop of color. We have a beautiful white leather bed with a large extending headboard on either side. Large wardrobe cum TV unit designed in matte white duco with white ceramic tiles inlaid in the shutter. Use of blue has been incorporated through wallpaper, curtains, and artwork. Subtle hints of gold to complete the overall look, which are added through the standalone sculptures, side tables, and the pendant lights. Growing up, any girl would kill to have such a gorgeous room. It's just a perfect combination of sophistication and elegance. And if you agree with me, don't forget to give us a thumbs up right now. Moving on to the most important room of the year 2020. I'll tell you why. This is a study room which can easily double up into a family room or even a home office during your work from home times. Let's go take a look. Spacious informal living room or family room overlooking the living area on the floor below. We have a black glass panel TV unit on one end with a home theatre speaker system and a series of picture frames opposite end. The study is an extension of the family room with a unique design study table and bookshelves at the rear end to go with it. Keeping the client's taste in mind and considering he spends most of his time here, this was designed as a comfortable and simple space for him to go about his day's work. Hey, I hope you have not forgotten about the contest and are still keeping a track of all the logos that we've hidden. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and comment. We have a gorgeous stone veneer paneling at the center which can be backlit. It has a unique texture and color even without the backlighting. White tiles with a brass inlay picked out to highlight the rest of the main wall. The rest of the puja room has been cladded with white marble with a brass inlay at regular intervals. Double glass synchronized sliding shutter at the entry with ornamental brass designer handles. Two things that one cannot miss out as you enter the master bedroom. First, the large Bali style artwork above the bed made in dark solid wood. Second, the ceiling covered in distressed finish wooden slats covering the entire bedroom. The client wanted a warm, comfortable setting for their master bedroom and we made sure we created the right ambience for it. Warm tones of brown and beige used in the fixed and loose furniture, also the overall upholstery and curtains. As you enter the room, towards one side is the walk-in wardrobe made with tinted black glass and champagne tinted frames, making the space look much larger. The same passage leads to the master bedroom. Much larger than a standard bathroom you would expect to find in any apartment. We had a lot of scope for design in this space. Combination of golden Portoro and Botticini marble on the floor. 3D pattern created in marble on the larger wall as you enter adorned with a large painting. Large full-width mirror and storage designed for two. One should not miss the false ceiling as well. We try to create the same 3D effect on the ceiling as is on the wall. Oh whoa, I think we've definitely outdone ourselves with this one, don't you agree? Since this house was so huge, do let us know which was your top two most favorite rooms in the house. My personal favorite was definitely the study. For anybody working from home, what a perfectly lit home office this could be. And hey, don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends and family if you enjoyed watching this just as much as we enjoyed making this for you. And if you're looking to amp up your space from 0 to 100 just like this one, Go ahead and leave all your details in the form in the description box below and we'll get back to you. Until next time, see you all.